Hi friends, thank you very much for the lovely response you have given to conceptual orthopedics. I'll share a very basic thing. I was doing my OPD last week and I saw a child. The child had swelling in the leg, mainly in the proximal part of the leg. I can say upper half. The local temperature was raised and the swelling had irregular consistency. And it was involving, on clinical examination, the metaphysio-diaphyseal region of the apparent tibia. And obviously the child had the growth potential as seen on the x-rays, and there was a lesion in the bone which was lytic and a little bit eccentric. There were lots of differential diagnoses. And then we were discussing, the team of orthopedicians that we work together. We were discussing what should we do now. And my basic thought was, to establish the diagnosis, we definitely require a biopsy. But where to take a biopsy? We need to get a specialized radiological investigation. The first in today's world will be getting an MRI done, and there is no harm in supplementing it with the blood investigation like hemogram with ESR, quantitative CRP, young child with metaphysio-diaphyseal swelling with high temperature, with a history of fever. And the question that comes to our mind, why you need an MRI? You will have a better identification of the bony and the soft tissue component, and definitive diagnosis always on a tissue diagnosis. You will know till what extent is the marrow edema and where to take the biopsy, because the biopsy is never taken from the center. It's ideally taken from the periphery. And then friends, we always remember, in any limb swelling, we always go for radiological investigation, but the definitive diagnosis is always a tissue diagnosis. And I was asked this question, sir, what will you do to the tissue? I will send it for the histopathology, I'll send it for cultures and for serology in India for tuberculosis. And this is what you should always remember. Radiology can suggest you anything, but tissue is diagnostic. Thank you very much.